Okujeto. Sa wonya bema uye coward papa.
Ablakwa. Ana ni 3 wan shen se. Baby atomfo. Ebone daddy a ojimi wo hono.
First of all, look, Honorable Ablakwa needs to know that he's frivolously making himself unpopular.
I say, share Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa. Mumwa for Ghana say Ghana sebi a case the bit musuya.
Enti Honorable Ablakwa agwaka amebia beka his excellency the president John Mahama efa Igbo King. Any Nigeria from Ghana for the city be almost free her enkono. Ablakwa emiti Nigerian Minister for Foreign Affairs. Na enkomodi mu no Ablakwa ntiman kasa odane oba mama mi ekegu ne so just say Ablakwa hia mama mi no wentiman ka na emefunu Nigeria for Ghana hanum Ablakwa say oh na Ghana ne Nigeria for yongo fan de ye be shebu kinania de ade eno ana Ghana for buofu Ablakwa eno ma be di ne dwan media na so ama bi awo kama hama. In this video be do hu komo ayi Penyah block media meswa say ne dim obe like video no that ma subscribe button so na be click notification and latest update na be chere wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section meswa so baswa no actually video for us enya bi ahye ejenye nim de ekoso e wo Ghana hanom Nigeria for mo Ghana hanom social vice ekoso de about 70% is coming from them you know Nigeria for omo na efri omo ma be se Ghana ha etwa fake ye twa sika fake pa ngumu a Nigeria for dodo ya omo na di mu tintimai even car spare parts na de yen fa fake megum yen twa fake mbra omo na di mu tintimai e ma Ghana for ni abrim kofi so ese omu free Ghana hanko Igbo King so di mu akotene omu free Ghana hanko nti Ghana for no kra no aye demonstrations upon demonstrations nyame adom even on the 8th of that is Echina week ekra no there's going to be another demonstration against the Igbo King and the Nigerian community in Ghana here now and I don't know so ana Nigeria Foreign Affairs Minister Honorable Bianca Odumaju ebe meeting Ghana Foreign Affairs Minister Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa for meeting. Now meeting no na Ghana for some kind of expectation be from Ablakwa. I think Ablakwa shia maamiya. Anka wontimin kan e maboni a Nigeria for no Ghana hanom. Omo ye. But Ablakwa so kan ye ni. Ablakwa make it tweet and I say, "Today I had constructive discussions with the Nigerian Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Her Excellency Bianca Odumaju Ojukwu, who was sent to Ghana by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on a fact-finding mission and political consultation following recent fallout from incendiary statement made by a Nigerian community leader living in Ghana." Then you Igbo man and some say also ye see Igbo village e Ghana hanom no we are to school near their day ni some the all transit be say etwa go akofa amento ba Ghana hanom no eno ho ene mama mi say oba Ghana so be meet Okujeto Ablakwa. It is a heartwarming and reassuring to know that the Nigerian government does not endorse any part of those condemnable pronouncements by the gentleman say Nigeria president so after so meeting Nigeria Foreign Affairs Minister who say Nigeria president according to the Nigeria Foreign Affairs Minister Bola Ahmed Tinubu kwa ni nye esma Igbo man wa Ghana hawodi na ni nye ho endorse what I say we endorse Ghana and Nigeria reaffirmed our cordial and inseparable historical relations with a firm commitment at ensuring that his recent blip is not allowed to mar our great relations. The Minister of State expressed gratitude to President Mahama, his government, and Ghanaians for the maturity and tolerance demonstrated, which has prevented and what? Escalation. Just a moment ago, I said, "Oh, yeah, dear, say." Issue happy, you know, yet me tolerate Nigeria for you say, yet me a kipuku, no more dealing kama, though there was a demonstration, but no crano, it wasn't any violent demonstration. Yet, can't really just Obiani, just say, almost a boy, just oh, that they're gonna phone. I said, oh boy, Minister Bianca Odumaju Ojukwu assured that President Tinubu's government will also continue to guarantee the safety of Ghanaians living in Nigeria. Obo. Ojense Bola Ahmed Tinubu ebeba Ghana for mo Nigeria ho ban ni ade se bia o ma ho ban boso ebedi ma continue. Ghana and Nigeria cherish an admirable bond of friendship. When Twitter Ablakwa after so meeting with the Nigerian Foreign Affairs Minister, and Ghana for them say Ablakwa there be there. We speak Canada ye ntensem na se because o sia maami no ase wo wanka sabi maami ne nsem nko na wo be kan ta Ghana for but the wo kan there when Timan can be what now? I'm a man, I can't go so. Ghana for Ablakwa serious or June se Ghana ene Nigeria fo benya yonkofa no odo eno no se se Ghana fo benya hobambo e wo Ghana asaso so ene wabone yekunkum Ghana fo ya yekrom de Ghana fo se emfa Ablakwa nche ne on that note no Ghana fo ni buafu o ma be fa ya Ablakwa ama bi awo kama hama
we Okujeto Ablakwa, Ghana's foreign affairs minister, and then Nigeria's foreign affairs minister, and Omashia country mu na and someone would do whom trash, muntu bogus. Then say we have leadership are so selfish, backward, do until they don't think ahead. So quickly, Nigeria for all continues protect their interests, or matters citizens, Ghana for say free country. But the bone of contention, the subject matter, none of these people any pay attention because it doesn't go against them. Now, Ghanaian youth, they make political leadership, weak and selfish. They protect their useless honorables. Sami honorable men for today, but tomorrow you pay the price. Nigerians continue to import their criminal activities, kidnapping. You see high rise of cyber crime and penifoni away, but because it doesn't affect them, so they don't care. Hassan Ayariga continuously every day hitting them, exposing them. Also, one can say a strategy. We a young person. Discuss Nigerians today or you perish tomorrow. Everywhere, every country. Go to South Africa, Kenya, Liberia, go to all these European countries, everywhere. Why is it that it's Nigeria? That should raise a signal in your brain. Until the day Nigerians stop their foolishness, stop their useless character that they export, that day we will never have a fine peace. Period. Now, our leaders in the Ghana, see, it seems like woman knew a free, woman who not the breast, sika cash, no coffee, sika biane and marka and one. So we a young person. Now what can I say? You are waiting for this crook leadership, crooks wemu, sir, charlatan, political bootlickers wemu to advise you. You'll be in trouble. Pay attention and start to rise and to speak against Nigerians. Those who are Ghana, Yahoo better and share. Just check more videos every day. Almost state, another state kidnapping every day. Sana Ghana bayetis. You need to stop Nigerians for them. The oppressor, they should be in Ghana and respect the rules of this country, not to import their arrogance and their bullish and their criminal activities in this country. Stop them today or you perish tomorrow. Okujeto Ablakwa, shame on you. Shame on you as a minister, which you can't discuss the matters Ghana for can want them to Nigerians, but you're rather protecting and pretending, covering up, say, oh, nothing has happened. A useless leadership, and I'm one of country anymore.
Okujeto, Sawanya Bema, we a coward, papa. Hey, Monumonyam no mudi chuchu from sa. Wano papa, wo position, yenya netiti okufuado, momo penso na disrespecting. Ye didia temu social media, what one foreigners aji mayafa. And Enkrofonia mumu to me say, we ye youth, you can fight for the youth. Whoa, we your ba papa. Meme krame ye be ma saying. Wati miya welcome alata foreign minister. Ebe kachre say, ewe fuasi free alata. And so what? Ewe fuasi free alata. Omu ni omu echi. Omu pedodo. And ni we so be a bonasa ase ho ban. Adan na Dubai won ko ho. Adan na UK ha won ma ha. Adan na America won ko ho. Adan na South Africa won ko ho. Ghana na efo. Video sa ye di Ghana tem. Come on Ghana. Waiting they Ghana. We can buy Ghana. Ye kuyen. Ye robo ye. And untimi mpie and you still entertaining this? We in the history of Ghanaian politics as the most useless minister Ghana Yafa. A gentleman like you, a youth like you. Instead of you to defend your country, do you think if it is Ghanaians, they will tolerate this nonsense? Time I know more ye Ghana must go. Ye timima or mufarin. Hey, Ablakwa, me say. You position, you will lose it.
First of all, look, Honorable Ablakwa needs to know that he's frivolously making himself unpopular among the youth because of his utterances and the way he's handling this whole issue. And for somebody that harbors the ambition of becoming the president of Ghana, he should know that we Ghanaians are the ones that will vote for him and not the foreigners. He should know that. So the way he's handling this whole issue and his utterances, he's not helping his own case. Ghanaians would rather vote for somebody that will protect them than somebody that will make their lives easy and comfortable. We just want to be safe in our own country. That's it. So we said that we don't want somebody to be the kingdom in his own country. That person really said it on television. Just for Mr. Ablakwa to invite the man and his entourage, shake him and take a picture with him without really addressing the story, without really addressing the whole issue, the whole thing that the man said. He didn't address it. They just went, took pictures with the man, and then they left. When we persisted with a mini demonstration, this man invited the finance minister, refused to address the situation, went about talking about jollof rice and some antecedent histories of the Ewes, saying that the Ewes are from Oyo Kingdom, say Ile-Ife or whatever. Ablakwa should know, he speaks Tony Ewe. Me, I speak Aflau and Aja Ewe. We are not from the same place. So if his people are from Ile-Ife or Oyo Kingdom, that's his problem. The kind of Ewe he speaks is different from the kind of Ewe I speak. It's different from the kind of Ewe that Anglo speak. It's different from the kind of Ewe the Kwando people speak. So you should not come and generalize everything saying that the Ewes are from Ile-Ife. Even if they are from Ile-Ife, no. So he will refuse to address the insecurity issues in the country or what? Ghanaians are saying we are not feeling safe in our own country. People are getting kidnapped in broad daylight. People are getting unalived in bushes. We don't know who is behind it. We don't know whether it is the indigenous people or it is foreigners. We don't know. All we want is that we should be safe in our own country. Instead of you to come and address and alleviate our fears, you are in the press conference talking about jollof rice. And you think that if time comes for you to contest for the flag bearership, the same you that you feel to protect will vote for you. Come on. Look, Ablakwa should know that if the MPP decide to speak about these insecurity issues for the next 2 to 3 months, he should know that he's making his own party unpopular, and that in 2028 this might go against him. So he should rather address the issue rather than talking about antecedent history and jollof rice and the things. Look, we are not feeling safe. And as I'm saying, if you are going, carry pepper spray in your back. You understand? Carry pepper spray or anything that will protect you against your own people or against anybody. It's that simple. You understand? Sure, Ablakwa should know this. Ablakwa should know this.
From the Federal Republic of Nigeria, in charge of foreign affairs to Ghana. We have just concluded a very successful bilateral discussion on the recent disturbances which have sought.
Ablakwa ana ni tiri wan shen se baby atomfo ebone dade a o jimi wo ho Ablakwa pese o ka kire ye se Tinubu asende Nigeria foreign minister e dia Ghana say o me deal with problems e wo Ghana o me deal with immigrants problems e wo Ghana no Tinubu na went me and solve problems na e wo ni krom Nigeria no Tinubu na went me and hwele nkofo na went me and control wo say wo mu nje ye wudie boni akese no Tinubu na went me anya saade no Tinubu no asende ono ne minister Ghana say omla me deal with immigrant problem of Ghana Ablakwa nye jimi no wajimi a ka be ba be jira be kan kwase asem sa woni Mahama ne hwa ni sa mo kwase a governance na mo ekoso wo man Ghana ni mu no senye jimi na Ablakwa hawa ka be di sa kwase asem ka ba tena se ehun se Tinubu na wo sende wo bi dia bo man Ghana mu no went me and deal with ni krom problems na me ibo wait a moment me ibo e kuro wo ho na se omu pese omu deal with problems omu ko kuro bi so ko fasa e kuro no aye pese ye ni omu ko omu ni pe ha adwene no aye pese ye do omu ko kuro ye ko omu kuro ko fa omu eni papa so o mekata na oba no ba be kasa ama wana Ablakwa kwasempani oba no obeba be kasa di ama wana boni e koso enye Nigeria for nkwa na ye womu ye immigrant omu Ghana there is a lot of foreigners omu Ghana why na Ghana for aka che musu mu nko Oko every country baby obia they don't need the enkofo we more. Country bia because bia omu hiya Nigeria for because mono mwanya security bomb who by 247 the poor Ghanaians na suffer na wo mu kasa no mo ba be propaganda mo ba be tum futuro e de agu Ghana fuani Ghana for ato aba de bia meka o sa se mo ye ekoso no senka John Mahama ni NDC for pa wo opposition ka de wo mbaji asem ya ka wo mani asem eba se sabe omuti akonya so mu babua Ghana for ama Nigerians akọ mu kuro mu no na Ghana for de Ghana for bisa amom ho ato wo na Ghana for ho ato wo mu no MPP NDC abaya yinani MPP abaya so yinani opposition NPP for no enye wo madwene se omu ka bibia fa sase mu ana omu pese Nigeria for mu di fala Tenibu wait me and deal with ni kuro mu problems o na emomo Ghana Jimmy Pa yen here MPP ni yen here NDC sa kofo we mu omu nwene wo man Ghana no Ghana no yen here NDC and yen here MPP obi kunu kokurom wama obi be ko school wamba obi yiri kwa wamba obi ma me fa ya kunu ya twane twa ya tunani ya tunensa ya twane nufu ya twane katre ma twa entene nkonkofo we mu die mu eno nti na they don't see the pains of Ghanaians no because woman no Mahama be na ni potopoti isesunsumi okọ ba bia security dinachi obia minister ohu amani o mu me ko ba bia security do machi na mo Ghana fo nso e wan na ba ho ban eti Ghana fo ni sun se mo bo ye ho ban a na obi anu a we de wo twe na ni di ahwe wo enti Ablakwa Tinibu went me and deal with ni kuro mu problem enya Ghana and obetima head e deal with Ghana problem Ghanaians mama ye ni now let's shine our eyes na yen hwe de bebo yen ene ye ma ene ye nchirima na emu manya sankofo we mu me da ase bebre abusun di ne the lioness Mesro so be share video na na kwato Ablakwa jimifo kwasempani na ni tiri wan te se eyi otomfo baabi otomfo ebo ne dade no me da ase bebre be se ahia
ase hwe Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa how many times that mention your name hwe Mumwa fagana say Ghana ye sebi a case study bi na Musha University akotro ho thesis na mo da bom PhD wo hu de ekoso wo Ghana wo hu nyanse bia ne Ghana for medin komo you are rather doing damage control as a foreign minister only asumesi akwakwujuno atontia na mudin komo say oh let's make sure that we tighten the integration only one integration of Ghana. Mutu wana mudi Ghana din kwasha semo. Hwe Ghana for mama yen bro. Ghana for mama yen che sankofu say the mudi Ghana koso in fact we are not really happy about it. And drum me whole video no be say be fo mu na me ho. E bushafo en na kwa na bi. Why nipa Tinibu na ngade tu na nim zini say brabe he no nipa no jo say me ba me hu say tie bi a hye. He mo kra ma tie hye. Mo kra ma nipa ewu. Mo kama mo jagu from ansa na mo hunyanse hu say e wo se yin na yetenase na ye pam gofufi akọ you are making influences of 1983 Ghana must go and what can no were you not ashamed said your people called Ghanaians were sacked out of Nigeria now what one wo so mwasem so kwase asem so e bu so for wo de video ni bi wo nya bi ahwe na wo no.
It is also important to emphasize that we have agreed that we will deepen our community-to-community engagements. We are conscious of our history, that even though we have a historical background with a lot of our ethnic groups having the same heritage and antecedents. You do know, for example, that the Ewe people
migrated together with Nigerians, sojourned in Ile-Ife, and continued to the Gold Coast. The Gans have a similar story. So we have very interesting anthropological antecedents, which shows that we are one people. But regardless of that, there have been times in our history where we have had skirmishes. You remember the Aliens Compliance Order. We saw a number of so-called foreigners being removed from Ghana. And then you also recall Ghana Must Go in 1983, where over 1 million Ghanaians were forced out of Nigeria. So we are conscious of that history, which should guide all of us, that if these things are not managed well, it could take us back to certain dark occurrences in our history. That is why we have been demonstrating a lot of maturity and asking that we douse the flames, we show compassion, we should remember that we are one people. Let's always remember that Ghana, as the headquarters of Pan-Africanism, what Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the founder of our country, taught us is that we should ignore artificial boundaries. We are one people. And let us always remember that there is a bigger goal, a bigger Pan-African agenda where we want to form an all-united states of Africa.
Like I said before, I came and I saw with my own 2 eyes that there were not tires burning on the streets and people with placards everywhere urging Nigerians to be deported. And it speaks to how the government of President John Mahama was able to rise to the occasion. President Mahama and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu are like brothers. Of course, Nigerians were in a very festive mood during the inauguration ceremony of President Mahama. Our president was here and for the occasion, and he gave a very, very impassioned speech, which speaks to the special bond that exists between these two gentlemen, and by extension, the bonds that exist between Ghanaians and Nigerians. So the message, in short, would be that there is no cause for alarm. The situation is being handled quite effectively. We will continue with our stakeholder engagement. We have met some of the dramatis personae, the people who are in the melt of this crisis. We will continue to meet people, stakeholders across all segments to ensure that the ways and means to continue to douse tensions, to continue to ensure that this is not a situation that repeats itself.
Papa John Mahama, enti wu ade a wodi ye Ghana fu enti ebezu ye. Papa, enti ebeye ye woni abroko akwasempani. Abroko akwasempani jimifuo a muni akukodru a mudi bu mu man. So yen abrofu control mu ama Nigeria fo nkwasiafo we mu so control wo mu. A control mu. John Mahama utiri koto se bemu. John Mahama utiri koto se bemu Ablakwa utiri ho kwabo sede ye ho no wotonfo bone dade kwasieto abroko akwasieto kwasempani wo se everfo afiri Nigeria sesa everfo fo mu ko Nigeria na Ghana na nye ayi ever any ayi Nigeria for dia so kuma yekum Ghana enyam asem na Ghana fo no nso so no edi jimi edi mwachi Oma dwene no entimi nya adwuma. Oma dwene no entimi dwene. Kwasi ampani Kevin Taylor no omudi nachi. Eni yekum ma atwa ma yekum apemfo yi apemfo ma ekum kwada kidnap amanfo ekunkum nipa. Ghana fo bi agimi kankan ne NDC fo no. Oma jimi sa oma yi omu hutwi kurenyi. Enti se de Nigeria force mu kuro no wo mato an because Ablakwa aton Ablakwa ene John Mahama ne Kwasi Ampani Kevin Taylor na ono no wana ye wo mampanini John Mahama de wono no Kevin Taylor wono no Kevin Taylor di ne ho agoro an eti na de da wono no edi ne the lioness asam ne ye mawere hu too much me hu dia me nya me hu Ghana da ache wen Ghana future wen she video ne be side e hye bi John Mahama woni waban John Mahama woni wamamuo enti Ghana fo sun bebreba a wo mu sun papa enti emedru wanim Ghana fo sun esu se Nigeria fo okum wo mu Nigeria fo kwan wo mu wo mu fa so no enye enti papa tuwa na monfafa ho papa enti wonte ye sese asema ekoso a wo kan na amanfo de adane politics no o can ho bia bejo no odi MPP for me wo be di MPP for atema masem because me nya MPP ni you can say whatever you want about MPP enya masem ayi ya kan say Igbo ni asem be Nigeria for asem ba yi ya te say MPP ni bia bejo so oba be defend Ghana for ana ya we defend the good name of Ghana, we defend the good people of Ghana, we defend Ghana enye party. It is so big we end this in a way bua. We end this in a way chimina walk shia. Na be so baby di matema because me MPP need ya. Any a wojale, any a dambi na ebo. Because me MPP ni. A seminar air cost one. Ghana fwe a bit more, especially Kevin Taylor chidi for woman Jimmy. Woman Jimmy ya sabi yo woman 8 me krampo nje woman. Asemna ekoso na wo mu security ni wo mu ye die ni da chinchirima ni Ghana nsase ebebo ho ban no Kwasi Ampani Kevin Taylor postu ne nkwasia photo no ni nkurase photo no ene ni chimi videos na ene yesame kase na Ghana fo emponji nwan no no wo mu dimri kase nkra ni guru no makogu ni page ni so emuwa Nigeria for nsama omu kafa Ghana wa tani omu di Ghana for no ya rehosem ni nyina afi mu sankofo we mu ni nyina afi mu so called leaders amojimi amomuwa
ubet ma chere wa adwene ama me e wo comment section Penyah Block Media agra